Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A Shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our third practical is draw plan of electrical installation scheme for given small industrial unit. So let's see the practical significance. Every diploma engineer must have the knowledge of AutoCAD for making the drawing of industrial electrical installation and identify the symbolic representation of appliances, equipment, distribution board and their position, location as per the IE rule. The next is program outcomes. So first is discipline knowledge. Apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve the board based electrical engineering related problem. Environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solution for sustainable development practices in social and environmental context. Engineering tools. Apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of limitations. Engineering and society. Assess social, health, safety, legal and cultural issues and consequent responsibilities relevant to practices in the field of electrical engineering. The next is ethics. Apply ethical principle for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of practices in the field of electrical engineering. The next is communication. Communicate effectively in the oral as well as the written form. Then what is the aim of this practical? So it should draw the plan of installation with their cost estimate. Next is practical outcomes. So first draw the single line diagram, wiring diagram of above industrial installation. Then draw the symbolic installation component, equipment on above plan showing their location. Next is draw the installation wiring route diagram for the above plan. Next, what precaution should be taken for this practical? So first one is use standard electrical symbol as per the IE rule to represent the electrical installation accordingly. Then second, segregate the wiring installation with proper suitable color based on distribution outlets. Next is clearly specify the position, location, spacing of points and distribution board with their proper labeling and numbering. And last is segregate the power and lighting installation with the separate color coding. Then procedure, collect the plan and the requirement of the electrical points from any contractor as well as suggested by the course teacher. Second is draw the provide suggested to option for from collected plan in AutoCAD, clearly indicate the position of door and windows. Next is draw the appliances and distribution board, power point and light point by representing with the symbol and color coding. Next is draw conduit route to join all points with respect to sub distribution board by shortest distance. Then next is make the number of conductors in the respective conduits. And last is draw the electrical wiring diagram from plan, draw in a step 4 to 4 and 5. So this is the given installation plan which is drawn in the AutoCAD software. So this is the AutoCAD drawing. This is the AutoCAD. I draw this drawing in a AutoCAD and then convert it into the PDF and paste this image in this PPT. So this is the installation plan. Here in this installation plan, total 5 machines are there. 5 HP motor, 3 HP motor, 2 HP motor, as well as single phase machine is also here in this workshop. It is grinding machine as well as the drilling machine. So grinding machine having the 0.5 HP and drilling machine 1 HP, and distance are mentioned that that position the machines to be installed. So this is the installation for the installations of industrial installation. Then this is the distribution board panel wiring diagram. So we have total 5 machines. So total supply which is given from this distribution board to the machine. So 3-phase supply which is given to the 3-phase energy meter. Then from this energy meter, 1 neutral wire and 1 phase wire taken, and single phase supply which is given to the drill machine and the grinding machine with the help of this bus bar system, neutral link, that means ICDP, lighting and ICDP. Then similarly for 5 HP motor, 3 HP motor and 2 HP motor, these are the 3-phase motor. So the connection which is given from this distribution panel, distribution board. So first 3-phase supply which is given to the main switch, ICTP switch with the HRC fuse, and then this supply which is given to the bus bar, and then bus bar through distribute to all other machines. That means 5 HP motor, 3 HP motor and 2 HP motor. Then this is the proper installation wiring diagram, how to install the machine. As per this installation, we make the distance or we calculate the distance of wire or calculation of the wire in a meter. So here 5 HP, 3 HP and 2 HP motor, all motors connected through the starter and motor switch. Then supply which is given for this starter from this main switch board, and then energy meter which is provided to the. Similarly here single phase junction also there. So single phase energy meter connected to the distribution board, then distribution board is supplied to the grinding machine and drilling machine. Thank you.